Hi, it's been a while. It's probably been a year, maybe two, since I last posted. Oops. I still have the 86. I haven't been working on it at all. I'm still running into issues of it getting started. I think I have way more electrical problems than I realized. That kind of led me to almost give up on the car on top of other life things going on. I just felt guilty not working on the car and it's just been sitting. So I had attempted to sell the car maybe twice and I felt really, really bad about it. So I ended up not selling it. So I always dreamed about having a really clean engine bay for this car. So that's where I'm going to start, is the engine. I'm just going to take it completely apart and then pull it out. As I'm removing things, I'm finding a bunch of random wires everywhere. It's no wonder why I have so many electrical problems. Like, I just find like these random cut open wires that are just taped up or just left out. I just removed everything that's attached to the engine other than anything that has fluid, so like the radiator. So I'm gonna drain the fluid now. Maybe I should have started with that, I don't know. But let's go ahead and do it. I started taking off the vinyl wrap. Why? I don't know. I just have a very short attention span. This is why it takes so long for me to finish anything. Okay, so I think I have everything out. All that I have left is the engine mounts, so I just need to take those out, and I think I'm ready to pull the engine out. That was a little too easy. My motor mounts are so loose on both sides. That's a little concerning. I was up till 2 a.m. finishing this. I think if I were to do it again, I would probably end up moving a little faster because I understand how to do it all now. But overall, this engine is pretty simple, so it wasn't too bad. There is a lot of things that I did notice as I was pulling everything apart. The engine was pulled out before because the engine mounts are brand new and the bolts were loose. This thing was a fire hazard because of all the cut wires, and it is coated in oil. Like, there's just a thick layer of oil on the transmission, on the entire engine bay, on the engine itself. Look at the condition of my clutch. Like, when was this last changed out? Anyways, I'm going to continue taking apart all the little things in the engine bay and then ordering parts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.